In this video, I'm going to show you how to send USDC from Binance to Trust Wallet. If you love to send USDC from your Binance to Trust Wallet, open your Trust Wallet now. So go to my Trust Wallet. So click on this. Come on here, type in USDC, right? So the USDC, there's a whole lot of USDC. There's USDC, Ethereum, Solana, Tron. So I think one of the best one we use is, I think, USDC BIP20, right? So I'm going to click on it. I'm going to copy the USDC BIP20. So I want to use this for an instance, right? So I'm going to click on it. If you click on the receive, you're going to be able to copy your wallet. Once you have copied it, open up your Binance. Come on here. Type in USDC now. So click on it. Click on withdraw, right? Click on this. Now what you're doing, you want to withdraw your USDC from your Binance to your Trust Wallet. So if I've copied your USDC address, I'm going to just paste it here. Once you paste it, select the BIP20, right? You can see it's the first one, so just select it. Enter the amount you want to withdraw. Once you are done, confirm everything, verify, right? So you're going to be able to receive your USDC on your Trust Wallet. If you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you all for watching through. I'll see you in the next video.